Hey guys, what is going on? It's Joker88. We got another show for you. Alright, well, happy Monday to all of you. I know if you guys are back east, it's pretty dang hot. Actually, it's not too bad here in California. We're in the, mid 80s to, like mid 90s. Still not too bad, I guess. But, it's dry heat. So for those of you back east with the humid heat, man, I feel for you. I feel for you. So let's talk about myself real quickly. Well, we are right now looking at my channel here. And my channel is basically all about cars. I love anything to do with cars, especially supercars and really eco-friendly cars. As you can see from my channel, all the videos that I posted are something to do with cars. A lot of them how to, put things in cars like modifying, adding stereos to the Alfa Romeo. And we did recently a Ferrari test drive, and actually there's an i8 also coming out. I made a lot of friends doing this. Cars really unite people. Okay, so we're talking about Sam. Sam is a three-wheeled all-electric vehicle. As you can see from this video that we had, you can see right next to the i3 there. You can see the dimensions and size. It's a very economical car. It's two people, and it's fully enclosed. We also have the Cabrio model that has that really lets the air in, and if you look at the vehicle, it's really I would say it's a very unique car. Well, autocycled, and it is going to be registered as a motorcycle here in the United States. We are coming to the United States. Like, for those of you guys who have been subscribers to my channel, we have been waiting for almost a year trying to get all this paperwork done, but we are almost there, guys. We are almost there. So for those of you guys that put deposits down, just trust us, it's coming, and it's going to be great. And one thing that I do want to remind you guys is this: we can also sell the vehicles as a kit car. Now, for some of you guys who are fans of Elio, we will sell this to you in kit form, different pieces. So basically, you're going to order through Poland and to our mother company over there. And then the best part is, we will ship you the vehicle. So for those of you who are very handy and want to, really get your hands on this, you guys can order it as a kit car, and then within your state, you're going to go ahead and register it as a home build car. How cool is that? We don't have to wait for anything. So we can do that right now. So if you're interested, drop us some emails, and man, hopefully we guys can get something going on here and get your Sam right away, and you can put it together yourselves. It's going to be sweet, right? So check out our website, friendsofsam.com. Message me there, and it's going to be cool. I'll talk to you later. This is Joker88. Talk to you soon. Bye.